Title: The Power of an Empty Mind. Part 1. The Overloaded Mind. In the bustling metropolis of Serenity City, where the pace of life never slowed, lived an ordinary man named Samuel. Samuel was a middle-aged, office-going individual with a perpetually busy mind. His thoughts were always racing, filled with to-do lists, worries, and constant distractions. He couldn't find a moment of peace in his chaotic world. One day, after another sleepless night and a particularly stressful day at work, Samuel stumbled upon an ancient, tranquil park hidden within the heart of the city. There, he noticed a serene-looking man in his mid-60s, Master Lee, sitting on a bench with a completely empty mind. Part 2. Meeting Master. Lee, intrigued by the peaceful aura surrounding Master Lee, Samuel approached him. Master Lee welcomed him with a smile and offered him a seat on the bench. "Your mind is like a turbulent river," Master Lee said, observing Samuel's restless demeanor. "But a river can never see its reflection clearly until it becomes still." Samuel was skeptical at first, but decided to learn from the wise old man. Part 3. The Journey to Emptiness. Under Master Lee's guidance, Samuel began his journey to cultivate an empty mind. He learned to meditate, focusing on his breath and gradually letting go of his worries. At first, it was difficult, but with practice, he started to experience moments of clarity and calm. As weeks turned into months, Samuel's life transformed. He realized that an empty mind was not a vacant mind, but a mind free from excessive clutter. It was a mind that could focus, be creative, and appreciate the present moment. Part 4. The Power of an Empty Mind. As Samuel continued to practice, he discovered the incredible power of an empty mind. With clarity and focus, he excelled at work and found his creativity unleashed. He solved problems with ease, and his relationships improved because he was fully present with those he cared about. Word of Samuel's transformation spread throughout Serenity City, and people started seeking his guidance. He, in turn, introduced them to Master Lee's teachings and the practice of cultivating an empty mind. Part 5. A Serene City. The ripple effect of Samuel's transformation began to spread beyond the city. Serenity City gradually shifted from a bustling metropolis to a place where people understood the value of stillness and the power of an empty mind. The once hectic streets became quiet.